Jasmine with the flip. Flip, flip, flip. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Jasmine is a queen of backflips. Uh-oh. Don't break his back. Okay.
I'll see what you're doing. Everybody, let me go ahead. Let's have a handstand. Let's have a handstand. Ready? I know it's out here. Wait, no, get up. Ready? Stand up. Y'all ready? Yeah. Have to go on this. Wait, I need to go over the right hand. I need to walk right hand. Hey, boss. Jump higher. Really? This what she brought in? Oh, my knee walk my hands again. What is wrong with you? What's your brother bringing in? I don't know my hair is. What's that? I am closer. What is he bringing in? I'm scared to look. Is it one of the dogs? No, the closer. No dogs allowed. What is he bringing? Jackson, I think I can jump. I think I can jump. Mommy, let me show you.
What was that? Are you dancing?
It's a fast handstand.
Oh, okay. It looks like you're dancing.
Look at Jasmine. Look at Jasmine.